Good morning, my friends. 5 a.m. the morning after Super Bowl Sunday. I'm getting my contacts in, wondering why I chose this day to do my morning routine, but hey, all the mornings tend to be about the same. I get up at 5, go to the bathroom, get my teeth brushed, the contacts in, and all that good stuff, and just get the day rolling. This is going to be the chunk of time between 5 and 7 a.m., and just how I work with those 2 hours. It's definitely a productive time, but not necessarily just in the worky sense, as you'll see before the end of the video. It's also kind of about taking care of your own self, too, and it's a great time of day for me, really. And so Bub's up as well. He heads down to the basement, does some yoga and maybe a little bit of work to get his day started. For me, coffee is an all-important part of the day, so can't leave that out. Now I'm heading back to the bedroom to figure out what am I gonna wear. Oh hey, black leggings, surprise, surprise. A nice little sweater here from my sister-in-law, Amy. I love it so much. Thank you, Amy. Looking good, feeling good. All right, get that deodorant on, sister, and get that bed made. Staying hydrated always. That really helps me with migraine prevention, I've found, but I can see the kids are still fast asleep up here. If they do need anything, I will be able to hear because I'm headed upstairs to the makeup room right now. So that is the first stop of the day, because if I need to shoot a video, I know for certain I will have enough time to do it if I start early. So be present. Love my little affirmations. Also love my little zit friend that decided to join me on my chin on this day. My hair's a little damp from my shower the night before. That's another way that you can kind of save some time in the morning. And if it's not a video shooting day, I usually listen to something while I'm doing my makeup. Today it was The Four Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz, and I actually finished that up. Loved it so much. So getting my skincare on, and I've got some Estee Lauder like sample size creams I've been trying out here. Also, kind of skipping ahead, I'm playing with some of the Natasha Denona Love Collection products here. Isn't that cool? I love that so much. And just getting my blush on. That's always a happy time of the makeup routine. A little bit of highlight. Wasn't quite sure if I was seeing the highlight on my skin, but still assessing that one. A little bit of setting spray here, a new one from Catrice that I'm trying out, and also a little bit pleasantly surprised by that lipstick there. Hello. And my Brow Wow, or Wow Brow from e.l.f., getting that in just for a quick do on my brows today. And of course, some Milani eyeshadow primer. No look is complete without the Milani primer. And then, yeah, I used the Love palette on my eyes as well. How about some Sultry Plum? Yes, feeling it. Makes my eyes look extra green, I think. And spritzing on a little bit of this fragrance from my friend David. It smells so good, kind of like rosy and fresh. And now, time to head downstairs. Kind of moving into the second half of the morning routine, where we flip the page on the day and just get our mind in the best possible place to take on the new day, really. So I get out my devotional and my prayer journal, and yeah, we get started with the inside job. I'll make sure to link below to any of the books or different things that I'm showing in this video, but I do love this Joyce Meyer devotional, and today we're going to learn to deal with criticism. Hey, perfect for a YouTuber, right? I'm going to tell you a little bit about my prayer journal here. The thing that I kind of love about it is that it chooses like a certain Bible verse, like the one on the big page, is what you're kind of reflecting on for an entire week. And sometimes that's where I think the wisdom and the guidance and whatnot from certain devotionals kind of goes through us a little too fast, because it is daily, and with some things it's like, yeah, that's that nugget I need to kind of keep in the back of my mind during the day. But sometimes we could spend a whole lot more time on one message. So for the week, they give you this, and then they kind of, here's the written out devotional on it, and a big space to just do some reflecting on that very statement. And so I won't fill this all up on one day, but I might do a sentence or two, and then by the end of the week, that's full. Then something I really love about this journal is that over here, I consider this like the gratitude journal portion. So every day I'll just pop 3 quick things in the Lord thank you section. The teach me and guide me, I'm not really sure what the difference is, so I just start here, and then as the week goes on, I roll through here, and so by week's end, I've pretty much filled that up. Things on my heart and prayer requests, kind of similar there too, just the things that I might be worried about, the things I'm praying about, things I'm trying not to worry about. So I put them in here and I pray about them and then I leave them. That's really my goal in life, is to not just say I trust God, but live it. And then the highlights, I save that for like my last day, sort of following up on some of the things I've prayed about. So that wraps up Saturday. So every Sunday I turn to this fresh page. So that was an example of a fresh one, but here's the one that I am in the midst of working on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I feel like I used to be very hit the ground running in the morning, work my butt off, just, pack it all in. But I really enjoy having this chunk of time, which I feel like is so productive, just personally, internally, to have this time to really start the day with intention and focus. And here I'm going to go through my planner and just kind of make sure, are there any appointments today? Is there anything certain that I want to get done? Any meals to plan out? Any whatevers? And then my last chunk of my available time in the morning can be editing, it can be replying to comments on my most recent video, it could be going through my whole video to-do list and adding to that. Here I'm importing some of the very clips that were already shot this morning, and just straighten up the living room a little bit if I need to. Anything that was just kind of left out from the night before, I can take care of that, wash a few dishes if I need to. Had a little water in my bottle, but need to get that all filled up to the top to start the day. And then by late afternoon, I end up refilling that. That's a half-gallon jug there. And like I said, that's really helped me in my mission of staying hydrated and being free from migraines for the most part. So it's a beautiful morning out there. Take a minute to enjoy. Hey, everybody's up all of a sudden. But yeah, the day is well underway, and you can see why I have to start early. And what's ahead of me for this day, we will do of course, schoolwork with Belle. Thankfully, I have the help of Mom and Dad with Bubba and Biddy while we work on that, and that takes up most of the morning. And then we'll sneak in some video editing at some point. And we got some extra balloons back there. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.